This particular module focuses on how to get school level data. This would not be student data, this would be school graphs and information around early warning system. To access this information, you would go to the school data menu. The school data menu contains several different school level data sources: demographics, attendance, behavior, FCAT, Florida Alternate Assessment, and at-risk early warning system. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll be using the at-risk early warning system data sources. The information is organized by region as well as by school. To select your school, click on the menu at the top of the page that says School and navigate to your school, or if you have a district level access, you can look at district level data. You also could organize by region or charter school group. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the district level data. You would typically use school data to look at the overall indicators by grade and grad plan. It does not drill down to student level or any other specific demographics. Right now, the screen is set up to show the number, the count, district-wide, and the percentage of students falling in each of those overall early warning system indicators. At risk, 19% of the students in the district are meeting that particular indicator. Off track, 15% are meeting that indicator. On track, 65% are meeting that overall indicator. If I was interested in knowing the breakdown by grade, I would click on the grade button and drag it to the drop column fields here area. The data would then be reorganized by grade level. Anytime the data exceeds the view, there'll be a scroll bar that appears that you can use to scroll across to view the progression of the indicators by grade level in this particular case. Each of the grade levels includes the count and the percentage. To see the distribution by graphs, either bar graph or pie graph, scroll down and it shows at the district level the number of kids and percentage of kids and the visual representation in each of those graphs. If you hover over the bar graph, you'll see the count for each of the grade levels in this case. To filter down to only view elementary, you could click on the arrow next to grade, unselect Show All, and then select the desired grade levels. In this case, if I want to just look at the overall indicator by elementary school, I would check all the grades that fall in the elementary school range and then click OK. The columns and the bar and pie graphs will then be adjusted based on the requested data set. In this case, you'll see the counts district-wide, kindergarten through 5th grade, as well as the pie graphs with the percentages. If I'm interested in knowing the breakdown for attendance for grades K through 5, click on the EWS overall indicator in the left-hand column and drag it to the top. Then I would click on EWS attendance and drop it in the row fields here area. Now I will see the distribution for attendance only, the number and percentage of kids by grade level that are on track, off track, and at risk. Again, I can hover over the bar graph to see the numbers or scroll down to see the percentages represented within the pie graph. I can also go to the top of the page and click on the school menu and drill down to a region using the same filters, which will make an adjustment to both the columns and the graphs, as well as to a particular elementary school within that region. If I wanted to see a breakdown of the regions to know which schools fall, I can click that link, which will take me to the regional map. The buttons in the columns and the rows can be moved around based on the questions that the team has in problem solving their school level data. If I wanted to look at course performance K through 5 and not just attendance, I can move that particular indicator over. This view shows that 100% of kids are on track for each one. For this particular indicator, course performance will not be registered in PascoSTAR until the end of the quarter when grades are entered in for first quarter. To know what the data and the indicators reflect, you can always go over to Legends in the left-hand column and click on EWS at risk. This will show you the high school, middle school, and elementary school indicators and how they are defined by year and by quarter. This is an important resource when interpreting the school level data.